Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us again at TOA Electronics. Welcome to the CX1000 series How-To Video Guide, where we'll walk you through the key steps to set up and manage your CX1000 system with ease. Today, we'll focus on installing the PC settings software. The settings software is installed on a PC and is used exclusively for configuring your CX1000 series system. Before we begin the installation process, let's quickly confirm the recommended system requirements for the CX1000 settings software. You will need a personal computer running a 64-bit version of Windows. The settings software framework requires .NET 6, and the database is PostgreSQL 13. The installation consists of three main steps. First, decompress and install PostgreSQL 13. Second, create a user using pgadmin 4. And finally, install the CX1000 settings software itself. In this video, we'll show you how to decompress and install PostgreSQL 13, as the settings software depends on this database. Decompress the downloaded zip file. For instructions on obtaining the zip file, please refer to the video tutorial on downloading the CX1000 settings software from the TOA data library. Extract the contents of the zip file, then run the PostgreSQL 13 setup file. Start the PostgreSQL 13 installer. If prompted by the Microsoft Defender Smart Screen, click the Run button. Ensure all components are checked and click Next to proceed to the password setting. Enter CX_admin as the password and click Next. Be careful to enter the correct password or you would have to uninstall and restart. Click Next on the port setting. You can leave the port as the default. Click Next on the locale setting. Leave this as the default as well. Click Next 2 more times to confirm the pre-installation summary and begin the installation. When the installation is complete, click Next. Important: uncheck the box related to Stack Builder and click the Finish button to complete the PostgreSQL 13 installation. The pgadmin 4 is installed when installing PostgreSQL 13. Your next step is to create a user. Watch the video titled Create a User Using pgadmin 4 for clear, step-by-step instructions. Thanks for watching.